Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps like Play Store and click on the score button. Now click on the icon of your app over here and select split screen feature. Then you can pick one of your apps from the background or choose home button and select any other one from your home screen, like settings. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards or downwards and selecting home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!